Velco is transforming mobility for sustainability by promoting cycling. With our digital solutions, we support cycling industry professionals to turn e-bike into smart bikes in order to improve cyclist safety, bike security and maintenance services to extend the life of electric bike.
Velco digitizes the entire industry with a clear objective: to create value for the cyclist. Much more than geolocation, connectivity allows brands to differentiate themselves by offering key services to seduce and create a strong relationship with cyclists. Through a branded mobile application, the brand puts himself at the center of the cycling experience and offers its cyclists an anti-theft solution, maintenance support, statistics, and other connected services to improve the cycling experience. Our SaaS software offer allows brands to address all the players in the value chain and to project themselves into ever more innovative, scalable, and cost-effective digital strategies. We thank the 30 bicycle brands and fleet managers that trust us in France, Europe, and the United States.
Velco designs and manufactures its IoT products to collect data from bicycles, which is then transformed into services within our software suite. Our team of technical engineers allows us to internalize the design, the development, and the industrialization of our products. Our IoT products have been designed in collaboration with bike makers and e-drive manufacturers to facilitate their integration. Velco works with the best manufacturers in France and in Portugal to produce its premium connected products. This gives us significant production capacity with excellent quality levels.
Created in 2016, Velco now has 50 talents in France and Germany. French leader, Velco aims to become the European leader in digital solutions for the electric bicycle industry. With an ecosystem vision, Velco increases the potential of electric bikes and digitalizes the bicycle industry to make it a sector of excellence.